My friends, the US government hurt my feelings. They hurt my feelings because they decided to take EVM out of software requisitions, acquisitions, whatever you want to call them. But my buddy, Daryl, has an EVM bot. Daryl, how do you feel about that?
In my opinion, it will give the opportunity to allow AI to integrate with AI projects with EVM. However, it takes away the concept of using EVM as far as performance to a project or project schedule. It does not hold contractors or vendors to accountability in that sense.
I think so. I think they made a big mistake, which is sad. But do you think that they may bring earned value back to software acquisitions?
It's getting to a point where EVM is kind of like a dinosaur tool in regards to where EVM will be in the future. It will be implemented, however, it will be called something else.
I guess we're just going to sit back and watch. But one thing that's quite striking is the way the government put into the latest Agile Assessment Guide earned value talk. Isn't that oxymoronic, Daryl?
And that's where the disconnect between industry and government will take effect into project management and how project management will adopt AI.
Hmm. I guess we can just sit back and watch and see what happens, what evolves.